5. I am going to continue chapter 7, and in this video I am going to explain you 2 points. First is joint, type of joint. I will explain you this, and in type of joint I will explain you movable joint and type of movable joint, hinge joint, pivot joint, gliding joint and ball and socket joint. Whereas immovable joint. Next point I will explain you about muscles and its type. 3 type of muscles: voluntary, involuntary and cardiac muscle. So let us proceed to the topic. First, joints. What do you mean by joint? A joint is a place where 2 or more bones joined together is known as joint. Dear student, basically 2 type of joint present in human body: movable joint which can move and immovable which are unable to move or known as fixed joint. So movable joint are hinge joint, pivot joint, gliding joint and ball and socket joint. And immovable joint, the joint present in our skull is fixed joint, the joint unable to move, also known as suture joint. Dear student, in our skull 8 flat bones. In previous video I explained you 8 flat bones used to join together, and this joint unable to move, and such type of the joint present in our skull is known as immovable joint. Now I am going to explain you about type of movable joint. So first, hinge joint. What do you mean by hinge? The type of joint which used to move in only one direction. For example, you see here elbow. You see, hand used to move toward the body. It is not that it turn in the opposite direction. Hand is moving in toward the body. Also, just below the knee, you see it used to turn back. So the type of joint which used to move in only one direction is known as hinge joint. For example, elbow and knee. In elbow and knee, hinge joint is present. So what do you mean by hinge joint? The type of joint which used to move in only one direction. You can see our hand is moving in one direction only. Such type of the joint is known as hinge joint. Next is pivot joint. Skull at the top, and it is being attached with the backbone, and skull and backbone used to join at pivot joint. And it helps our head to move side by side. Means just left, right, upward, downward. So where is pivot joint? Skull is connected with the backbone, and that place is known as pivot joint. Means skull and backbone joint. The joint is known as pivot joint, which help our head to move side by side and upward and downward. Next type of the joint is gliding joint. Gliding joint is present in our wrist. This is known as a wrist. And in our leg at the down, ankle. Also, gliding joint is being found, or it is being present between the vertebrae. What do you mean by the vertebrae? 33 small bones join together and make backbone. So between the vertebrae, the type of joint is present known as gliding joint, which help which help our body to bend. We are able to bend due to the presence of gliding joint. Bend, twist and turn, and this is due to gliding joint. Once again, where gliding joint is present? Wrist, ankle and between the vertebrae. What is vertebrae? Vertebrae are the small 33 butterfly shaped bone which used to join together and make backbone. Next is ball and socket joint. Dear student, ball and socket joint is being present in our shoulder and hip. Shoulder and hip. So what happened here, dear student? Here in the shoulder, a type of the joint where there are two bones. One is like the socket and one is like the ball. They used to rotate this way. And ball and socket joint used to move in almost in all direction. In all direction it used to move, and the type of joint is present in shoulder and hip. So these are the four type of movable joint. Hinge joint, which used to move in only one direction, known as hinge joint, and it is being found in elbow and knee. Second, pivot joint between the skull and backbone. Pivot joint. It helps our head to bend side by side to move, and bend upward and downward. Gliding joint present in our wrist. This is known as a wrist, and at the leg, at the down portion, known as ankle. Also between the vertebrae. Gliding joint is present, which help us to bend, twist and turn. And ball and socket joint, which is present in our shoulder and hip region, and it used to allow to move almost in all direction. So these are four type of movable joint, whereas immovable joint present in our skull, and it is also known as fixed joint. Next is muscles and its type. Three type of muscles. Voluntary muscle. What do you mean by voluntary muscle? Those muscles which used to work according to our functioning of brain, or according to our will. When we want to jump, when we want to run, when we want to walk, when we want to get up, then by the help of the voluntary muscle we can do particular function. For example, muscles present in our hand, muscles present in our leg is known as voluntary. Those muscles which can function according to our will is known as voluntary muscles. So muscles of our hand, muscles of our leg is known as voluntary muscles. And those muscles which can't be controlled by our will or by the action of our brain is known as involuntary muscles. Dear student, you may have seen elephant. Elephant here you may have seen, just they are moving. Can you move? You may have seen goat, rabbit, horse, dog. They used to move their ear. Can we move our ear? So no, we can't move our ear, because in our ear no voluntary muscle is present. Involuntary muscles are present in our ear, so that we can't move. Involuntary muscles are those muscles which can't work with our action of our brain or according to our will. One more example, in our food pipe. What do you mean by food pipe? The pipe through which food used to pass to the stomach is known as food pipe. Food pipe also contain, or it consists or present involuntary muscles which can't be controlled by our will or by the brain. So dear student, now you came to know what do you mean by voluntary and involuntary muscles. Next is the cardiac muscle. A special type of the muscles present in the heart. Present in the heart is known as cardiac muscle, which used to work day and night. Day and night. Day and night continuously it used to work without tired. And such type of the muscles is known as cardiac muscle, and it is present in heart. So dear student, three type of muscles: voluntary, involuntary and cardiac. Once again, voluntary muscles are those muscles which can work according to our will or according to working of our brain. Means when brain command, the particular muscle used to work, known as voluntary muscle. Involuntary, which can't be controlled by our brain, known as involuntary. For example, food pipe. Muscles of the food pipe can't be controlled by our will, so it is known as involuntary muscle. Cardiac muscle, a special type of muscles present in our heart, known as cardiac muscle, which help to create pressure and help blood to circulate or flow in different part of our body. Heart only help to pump the blood, means by contraction and expansion. Heart used to contract and expand and help blood to move out of the heart to the different part of our body. So dear student, in this video I explained you about type of joint and muscles and its type. So please you read and try to understand. Thank you dear students.